are so fucking alternative. You buy your clothes from charity shops and chew on the straws of lollipops. You've got a black eye from your sister cause your boyfriend kissed her, and when you went to hit her you missed her, broke your finger. Smoking roll-ups and drinking heavy, so when the boys see you they think you're really edgy. So